just going to go over the first couple here to get you started. Remember your slope formula is m equals y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. I would just write that down somewhere. You're going to need it this unit and the next unit. So find a place and somewhere around you that you can write this. And then at my points, I'm going to label them x1, y1, x2, y2. And now all I'm doing is replacing this x1 in this equation. So if I start out writing my equation, I can start like this. And in that first box needs the y2, so that'd be 4. I said box, and I'm circling the space. So, and then the next thing in my equation is a y1, which happens to be 8 in this case. And x2 goes here, and x2 is a negative 3. So once I have them all labeled, it just becomes a matter of plopping them in the right place, or substituting them in would be the correct math word. And 6. And now I'm just doing the math. 4 minus 8 is negative 4. If you're not sure, put it into a calculator. Negative 3 minus 6 is negative 9. I can put this in as a decimal. At least I'm going to simplify it. If there's a negative in both, it's going to be 4/9. And if you choose to type this into your calculator, it's going to be like that. It's going to be 0.4 repeating. So however you choose to write that in. And then we'll just do one more if you want to see that. So I'm going to label my x1, y1, x2, y2, and then just putting them into my equation to substitute. So the first part is asking for y2, and y2 is 6. The next thing says y1, and y1, oh, I totally messed that up. Sorry, hopefully you were yelling at me for that one. Y1 would be this 2. And I'm thinking like the ones again are like first point, second point. X2 is going to be here, and that's my 6. And then my x1 is a negative 3. Minus the negative becomes a plus. Again, type it into the calculator if you're not sure. So I end up with 4/9. And then again, this would also be 0.4 repeating. So you should notice that whatever I'm getting on this slope here, I should get for here. If you don't, there's a mistake in there. But I want to see all your work. That's more important. So just because I got this slope here doesn't mean I should just write the answer here. I need to see this part here, and I need to see how it's written out.